This is Bill Daniels. I'm a direct lender here in Tustin, California. And I'm getting a lot of people asking me lately, Bill, is this the right time to buy? Interest rates are low, but what happens if the price of homes drop even more? So let's talk about that a little bit. And rather than just give you my opinion, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a spreadsheet that I often do comparing different loan programs to each other, maybe a 7-year versus a 30-year. What happens to rates when they incrementally go up? So let's take a look. Now here we have 4 loan programs. The first 3 are based on a $500,000 purchase price, putting 20% down payment. The last one is if the market drops 10%. So instead of $500,000, it's a $450,000 home. Now, if you have a 4.5% mortgage on a $400,000 loan, that's $2,632 a month. Now, I know somebody out there is right now asking, Bill, what's the APR on that 4.5? So for compliance purposes, 4.597%. If the rates go up 0.5%, you waited a little bit, wanted the price to come down, well, your payment would actually go up $120 a month if nothing changed. And if it went to 6%, same purchase price, $500,000, 20% down, your payment would go up $371. So let's say it comes down 10%. So now that same property is worth $450,000. Now for the sake of argument, we're still going to put $100,000 down. So the loan would be lower as well. So that's $350,000 loan, 6%. But look at the payment. It's actually $19 more than what your current payment is over here today, 4.5% on a $500,000 purchase price. Now looking 5 years out, you would have paid $86,000 of interest on a 4.5% interest rate, $400,000 loan amount versus $101,000 on a $350,000 loan amount. 6% interest rate is not a high rate. Many people were loving the fact that they were able to get a 5.875% back in 2008. Now, of course, all of this is speculative. Rates could stay the same and prices still could come down. You just never know. What we do know is interest rates are still at an all-time low. But if prices stay the same and interest rates go up, that $500,000 home might be about $371 out of reach. If you felt this was helpful and you'd like to see more, I do video blogs every Friday. Feel free to subscribe to your right, my left. If you have any questions and you'd like me to prepare a spreadsheet specifically for you, by all means, email me and I'd be happy to do so. My name is Bill Daniels. Thank you so much for watching. You make it a great day.